Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my Ipsy bag, so let's get into it. Check it out. This is the regular Ipsy bag. It is $13 a month, but you pay $2 shipping and handling, so it's really $15 a month. It is the OG Ipsy. It was the one that was around before all of the others, and it's still one of my favorites. We get mostly deluxe samples. Sometimes you will have a full-size product. We still get the bag with this. I'm so excited because we saw that we were getting one of the drawstring bags that I used to like in the past. So awesome. Feels a little somewhere between a shower cap and like a inexpensive chintz fabric. I'll find a good thing to do with it though. I always like putting my Lush in these and tucking it in drawers. I wonder if this would, seeing to see if I could smell any of my products, which I have no reason to believe have any scent, but it gives you the impression that maybe the scent of the Lush products wouldn't come through. This month is the Great Escape. I'm gonna be off just a little bit. It's gonna take me a minute to get my feet under me. This is the first video I'm taping. I am taping downstairs. It's almost 100 degrees this week. So even with our air conditioner upstairs, it's staying warm. So this is July 2023, and since it is the small one, we do have what I have in my bag, no cheating. Let's just check it out. This is a Lottie London eyeshadow quad. That is what they look like. They are real nice neutrals. I'll go ahead and swatch these because I might play around with this cute little quad. The colors are really nice and neutral. Let's swatch them. Uh-oh, I didn't bring anything down to clean up with. Wow, they're very light even on my skin, but just for a nice summer look, those are kind of pretty. The paperwork says Lottie London eyeshadow quad in the rose gold, so that's why I liked it. One look at this gorgeous eyeshadow palette and you'll be hooked. It's packed with a combo of 9 metallic, sparkly, and matte shades, so that must be the full-size one of these. Designed for any occasion, whether it's for every day or a night out, these rose gold shades will add a touch of glamour to your look. So they're rose gold. Oh, they are kind of pink. Yeah, I am gonna like this. That is super pretty. And just for the record, at the top of this, it says the moment you've been waiting for, 5 new products valued up to $70. I think they used to say valued up to $50. Okay, this was my choice. I know that. It is bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I just thought, how cute is that? It's oranges and it's just a nice brush and it's an SL Miss Glam. That's what it is, right? Because of the little doot-doots. We know that. I thought it would be more of an eyeshadow brush, but I always talk about it. I have such a small eye space that that's a lot of real estate. But you know what this will be great for? Blending down my nose if I did that, which maybe I'll start doing because I have this nice new brush that would be perfect for that. Or you could use it for highlighter. Too small for bronzing. I like it. It's got a nice heft to it. It feels really nice. What does the paperwork say? SL Miss Glam Orange Concealer Brush. It's a concealer brush. It is pretty dense. That's pretty big. Nah, it might work. We'll see. That's the beauty of brushes. You can use them for whatever you want. This orange brush looks ultra cute and has all your makeup needs covered too. Use it with your powder products to apply, blend, shade, and detail with ease and precision. It has a $23, is that right? Yeah, $23.50 value. I mean, the eyeshadow, by the way, the full-sized had an $8 value, and we got about half of it. They said 9 and we got 4, so a little less than a $4 value. Okay, what's next? We have Floss Brighten Up. So we're gonna have a highlighter. That's what that looks like. I have a highlighter I love, so I'm not gonna swatch this so that I can pass it on. I have actually had this exact highlighter in the past. They are very nice, but I do have my Hourglass highlighter that I use mostly. Plus I have the Cover FX that I showed you guys when we did the FabFitFun video. So I am stocked up with highlighters. No brushes, no problem. This silky smooth highlighter is finger friendly and easy to blend, giving you a natural dewy look. Sunlit in a light champagne shade with a gold pearl finish. Perfect for every day or for those glam moments. This is full-sized and it has a $20 value. So in theory, full-sized and full-sized. Next out, we have something from Mud Masky. Vitamin A Booster French Clay Mask. Pore refining, smoothing, firming, tightening, and clarifying. The paperwork says that it is infused with the purest clay, fresh flowers, and juicy fruits. This fragrance-free mask is perfect for even sensitive skin. With bakuchiol, a natural alternative to retinol, it helps refine and tighten your pores while delivering a high dose of vitamin A. As a rule, I don't use vitamin A products because they irritate my skin. I have discovered that so does the bakuchiol, so I will set that aside with the floss. And what was the value on that? And the value on that was, it would be $39 if it was 2 ounces, and full-sized, this is 0.3 ounces, so about a sixth, so about $6.50, give or take. Next, we have the Keys Golden Cleanser. I've tried a lot of her products. I don't think I have tried this one. It says this cleanser is the golden ticket to a calm complexion. I'm on board with that. With the power of turmeric, manuka honey, and chamomile, this cleanser removes dirt, makeup, and impurities while leaving your skin feeling cleansed and soft. If this was full-sized, it would be 170 ml, and it would be $22, and we have 30 ml, again about a sixth, so between $3 and $4. I will read over the ingredients, but I think I will give this a try. That is what it looks like on the inside. And it has a little shaker top. I don't know what we're getting into here, how wet it is. Is it, oh, it doesn't, oh, okay, okay. It's just, can you guys see? Oh, perfect, it's gonna take off my eyeshadow. Does this have a scent? It has very little scent, just mostly like a cleanser. Well, beauty being down here is I can just go wash my hands when we're done with this. Yeah, very little scent. It feels nice. I mean, my hands aren't sensitive, so there's no way to know, but I'm gonna give this a try. That was my original, the Ipsy Glam bag. We got this really cute bag. This is the kind that we used to get in the Plus. That's the drawstring bag. It's kind of a pinky purple with those bright citron flowers, and there's also butterflies on it. We got the Keys Cleanser, the Mud Masky Mask, the Lottie eyeshadow palette, the brush that I chose that had oranges, and the highlighter. So pretty cool. I got 2 full-size products, which they would give a value of $43.50, and then maybe another $10 in these. So I was just a little over $50 in value. I will put the Ipsy link below for you in case you want to go over and check it out. I'm in no way affiliated with them. My own boxes. And with my profile, this is what we got this month. Let me know what you guys got. I'm always interested to hear what's going around out there. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here with me. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.